Folks, we've said previously that we ought to get away from fossil fuel use and go to renewable energy. The skeptics have said this would not be feasible to do, but I think it is, and I think a little bit of consideration proves this. I saw recently the statement that we've doubled the use of solar cells each year for the last 2 years. Well, if we could continue this doubling for a 5-year period, a little bit of arithmetic would tell us that we'd have 32 times as much use in 5 years. Now, the current use of solar energy is about 0.5% of the nation's needs. So if we multiply 0.5% by 32, it means that solar could produce 16% of the nation's needs in a 5-year period. This would be a substantial fraction, which, along with other renewable energy techniques and with conservation, should do the job. Well, if we thought a little bit more and tried to triple it each year, we'd have 125% of the nation's needs at the end of 5 years. Obviously, we're not going to do that, but a little bit more than doubling would certainly do a substantial amount in satisfying what we need for the nation's energy requirements. Consequently, we should be optimistic and think that doing these things are possible, and with a little bit of government help going to some of the subsidies that are going to fossil fuel and nuclear fuel use, we could do the job with renewable energy, and we should. I encourage your support for trying to do it.